Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Madhubala, and today I'm excited to share my refreshing shower routine with you. This routine helps me start my day feeling clean, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle whatever comes my way. I absolutely loved shooting this one and hope you guys will love it too. Let's dive in and get started. This routine is all about taking a moment to unwind and pamper yourself, focusing on hair care and body care. Step 1 is hair care. I start by wetting my hairs thoroughly. This step not only helps to open up the hair cuticles but also prepares my hair for shampoo, ensuring a deep and effective cleanse. For shampoo, I love using Extenso from L'Oreal Professional, specially formulated for straight and frizzy hairs. I take a small amount of shampoo into my palm of my hand. Then I gently massage it into my scalp using circular motion to create a rich lather. This shampoo is great for taming frizz and leaving my hair feeling silky and smooth. Now it's time to lavish my hair with the nourishing goodness of the L'Oreal Extenso Hair Mask. I love this hair mask so much that I have almost used up the entire tub. I absolutely adore this conditioner. It's been my go-to for taming frizz and keeping my hair silky smooth. I apply it generously from mid-length to the ends of my hair, making sure to coat each strands. I leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes while I move on to my body care. Now that our hair is all taken care of, let's move on to the body. Currently, I'm absolutely loving the Plum Body Hawaii Rumba shower gel. I have used the shower gel so much that it's almost finished, and yes, I'm definitely going to repurchase it. This shower gel has an amazing fragrance that's just perfect for summer. I take a generous amount of shower gel on my loofah and lather it up. The foam is rich and luxurious, and it feels so refreshing on the skin. It smells like a tropical paradise and instantly lifts my mood. If you have been watching my videos, you know how much I rave about this product. I have mentioned it in almost every video because I genuinely love it. The fragrance is so delightful. It's a blend of fruity and floral notes that makes you feel like you are on a tropical vacation. It's not just about fragrance though. This shower gel leaves my skin feeling soft, smooth and hydrated. It's perfect for everyday use, especially during the hot summer months. Once a week, I like to give my skin some extra love with a good body scrub. Currently, I'm using the Brian and Candy Sugar Body Scrub. This scrub smells absolutely divine, just like strawberry bubblegum. It's so sweet and refreshing, making my shower experience even more enjoyable. I take generous amount of scrub and gently massage it onto my damp skin. The sugar crystals helps to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells, leaving my skin feeling incredibly smooth and soft. I focus on areas like my arms, legs and back, where I feel the most need for exfoliation. The texture of this scrub is perfect, not too harsh but effective enough to give me that polished feel. The fragrance is so delightful, it really smells like a treat for your skin. Plus, it leaves a subtle sweet scent that lingers even after you rinse it off. After scrubbing, I rinse off thoroughly with warm water. My skin feels instantly softer and smoother. It's like a mini spa session at home. Next up in my body care routine is shaving. I prefer to shave my body to remove any unwanted hairs, and I like to do this step right after scrubbing my body. I'm using Gillette shaving foam and Venus razor. The foam creates a nice thick lather that helps the razor go smoothly over the skin. Next, I take razor and start shaving in gentle strokes. I always make sure to shave in the direction of my hair growth to avoid irritation. Shaving right after scrubbing makes the process so much easier. The exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells and lift the hair, ensuring a smoother shave, plus it helps to prevent ingrown hairs. Once I have finished shaving, I rinse off any remaining foam with warm water. My skin feels incredibly smooth and soft. I love how clean and fresh my skin feels after a good shave. It's been more than 15 minutes, so the hair mask has definitely had time to work its magic. Now let's rinse it off. I rinse off the hair mask thoroughly with lukewarm water. It's important to make sure all the product is completely washed out to avoid any residue buildup. After rinsing, I gently squeeze out the excess water from my hair. This helps to remove the bulk of water and makes the next steps easier. My shower routine is now complete. After my shower, I like to nourish my skin with a good body oil to lock in moisture and keep my skin feeling soft and hydrated. I am using the Plum Body Lovin' Hawaii Rumba body oil. This oil smells absolutely amazing. Just like the shower gel, it has a tropical fruity fragrance that I love. I gently massage the oil into my skin, focusing on areas that tend to get dry, like my arms, legs, and elbows. The oil absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, leaving my skin feeling smooth and silky. The fragrance is so refreshing and uplifting. It really enhances my post shower experience, plus, it keeps my skin smelling lovely throughout the day. After applying the body oil, I like to layer on some extra hydration with same Plum Body Lovin' Hawaii Rumba body moisturizer. This helps to seal in all the moisture and keep my skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth. The double layer of hydration from both oil and moisturizer ensures my skin stays nourished and supple all day long. The scent of the Hawaii Rumba line is consistent across both the oil and the moisturizer, giving my skin a lovely tropical fragrance that lasts throughout the day. It's a perfect way to feel refreshed and uplifted. Next, I take my microfiber hair towel or wrap to dry my hair. Today I am using this handy microfiber hair wrap, which is perfect for quickly absorbing excess water without causing frizz or damage. I twist my hair into wrap and secure it. And that wraps up my shower routine. I feel so refreshed and ready to take on the day. Thank you so much for joining me in my shower routine today. I love sharing this part of my day with you, and I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable.